any feedback, if you have any ideas, I just want to hear everything from you.
If I'm be honest with you, I'm super happy
Perfect.
about the result because I used to be working with so many marketing team and the result it not be like that,
Just say the percentage of the people that you were able to convert to returning clients.
When you book for me, about 90% is come back to me again.
I would really say that that's a really good percentage. Nigin, how was your experience working with ITH Media so far?
To be honest, since I started with the ITH Media, I was so stressful. We started a stressful journey because we had very bad experience with the other marketing teams, and we was thinking, oh my God, maybe this marketing can't help us. How can I carry on my business? We start since 15 September until now. I'm super happy because we get very nice result. They can promote so many of treatment, and we can sell it with the client. We get so many clients, and we are improve our business. To be honest, I'm so glad I choose the ITH.
And do you know how much money did you make so far, or at least this month, whatever that's?
I didn't calculate yet, but if I'll be honest with you, we had 48 clients, and it is very, very good thing for beginning. For first 2 months, it's amazing.
Perfect. So you were able to cover the ad spend, the agency fee,
It's easy. Yeah, we are pay a small profit still, but we are pay the rent, all bills, and the marketing team or everything. We are cover all of that. Used to be we struggle to pay all of that, but now it's much better, and I hope get better. And I know that we are be improved again.
What would you say to someone that is scared to work with ITH Media?
Trust them, give them time. They know how to do the work, to be honest. And I honestly, I recommend the ITH for some of clinic as well. I'm waiting for response. One of my friends is the struggle as well to the marketing, but she will be joined. Definitely be ITH. I recommend with other companies and clinics as well.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Nigin. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.